It started with 1 session, then 2, then 3, and before you know it, you're juggling a dozen sessions across 3 different agents, 4 repos, and none of them knows what the other is doing. And all of the prompts, configs, and context you built are invisible to everyone else on the team. You figure something out in 1 session, but the next one has no idea. And your teammate's agent? Starting from 0. That's why we built Xirp. One place for all of it. Every agent, every session, parallel work, no conflicts. Switch agents mid-project and your context comes with you. Combine Xirp with Portal and you get a true agent command center. Your coding sessions start with organizational context already built in. And when you're done, what you learned flows back in so the next person or the next agent can pick up right where you left off. That's Xirp. Battle tested at Spotify, yours to use. Learn more at xirp.spotify.com.